So on today's inspection, this is a multi-unit building. It's a triplex, new construction. We're here looking at construction defects to help the homeowner or the property owner with legal issues regarding construction defect claims, incompleted work, etc., etc. So this is a big deal right here. As home inspectors, we typically don't get involved with fire sprinkler systems in residential construction. However, this is a clear violation. NFPA 13R, which is the National Fire Protection Code for residential fire sprinklers, clearly has provisions in there to prevent this is called a riser, to prevent the riser from being installed in an accessible interior location, because this is an alarm, it's a flow switch. Somebody can easily come in and disconnect that, or more importantly, they could come in and they could just turn the valve off and it would shut down the sprinkler system to the entire building. This is non-compliant. It should be on the exterior of the building according to NFPA 13R, and this is all wrong, all needs to be redone, and now you have a little bit of information regarding residential fire sprinklers.